Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a product. It is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video just to help you out and give you some information about the product itself. So today, we have a planer table. It's a planer table. It's for your workshop. You can see the rollers here, where the wood would slide across, and you put your planer right here on the table, and then you can roll your wood right across there. So I am going to show you how we put this together. Chances are I'm going to film the whole putting it together, but I'll probably fast forward through that. If you have any problems at all, you can just always slow down the video and check out what I've done there. It looks like it's a straightforward installation, so let's get straight to it. Let's build ourselves a planer table. And if you've ever wanted a planer table and just a solid, this thing's going to be solid. Trust me, it was heavy. A solid roll-around cart for other tools. This thing is probably going to be the answer to your. As you can see down here, I have all of the parts laid out. Got a little shadow action going on here. But I have all of the parts laid out here, and we are going to build a planer table. So, we're just going to basically put the wheels on here, and it's really a straightforward process. It's just 4 bolts with washers for each wheel. So we've got those on. Now we're going to put the uprights up, and you can see that they went up very quickly. Put this shelf on here, and then we'll just add the top right here. And again, lots of bolts and washers and screws, so it is put together really well. This is a very strong table. So if you're looking for just even a strong table, roll-around table cart, this is it. So then we put the planer wheels on there that the wood would roll across, and a very simple operation there. And then you have a table. There you have it. A beautiful equipment rack. Equipment rack. All the way with a shelf underneath. And then if you got your planer up going up here, the wood will roll right along here. Very nice. This is super solid. It's got locking wheels. Very nice. Go out and get your planer table / equipment table today.